Hello and welcome to the new section of Voyage Mistress, where I'm going to be sharing all of the recipes, the international ones, here with you. Why not try to make all of those great recipes back here at home? So for today, I'm preparing something very special. We are going to go to the hot Brazil just to experience one of the top things that you have to try when you're in Brazil. The recipe, it's called pão de queijo, and it actually means the bread made with the cheese. It's going to make you wish that you're here with me and that you probably are going to try to make this back at home. So let's go! Here we have milk, here we have some oil, we have 2 eggs, we have some grated cheese, some salt, and of course some yuca flour, or how you would call it, algodão dulce. Finally finished with the preparation of our pão de queijo, and now it's the time to taste how it is. So let's just go for one of these. It's still a little bit hot, but from the outside I can feel that it's crunchy, and when I open it, it's all this chewy structure which actually makes this pão de queijo perfect. So let's try it. Just like being back in Brazil, where you can find tapioca flour, or how we called it, yuca flour, manioca flour. It's all the equivalent names. And yes, it's a little bit tricky here in Europe to find it. I found it in one of these bigger supermarkets. Probably you can go and search in the health food stores. I'm just going to keep enjoying in these little balls because they are perfect to eat. Until the next time, safe travels and have some really good tasty food on your way. See you!